Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2019 Range Rover Velar. This vehicle is featured in deep gold metallic paint with chrome and gunmetal gray alloy rims. We have our rear privacy tint, power liftgate, panoramic sunroof, backup camera, 360 view camera, heated and massaging seats, heated steering wheel, navigation, as well as thigh support. Now onto the interior of the Range Rover. On our door panel, we can see we have our soft touch black foam up top, black leather trim with white stitching, and then our chrome door handle. Speaker tweeter in the upper portion of the door. Then we have our window and mirror controls, manual seat option, and rear child locks. You can see we have our Meridian surround sound speaker system. So you have 3 speakers in the door. And then our storage underneath. Side of the seat, we have quite a few options. We have our power adjusting, recline, and sliding. We also have our side bolster adjustment, so the sides of the seat can fold in and contour to your body, lumbar support controls, and our thigh support. As you'll see for the thigh support, we don't have a gap here, it actually unfolds. And we have our electric park brake, liftgate, and our interior dimmer switch controls. Full leather across the dash area. Then our full digital gauge cluster. Multifunction leather wrapped steering wheel. You can see we have chrome paddle shifters behind. Our push start. Vents across the dash. Then our dual screens. So we have our navigation, media, and phone connectivity. Backup camera and overhead view. Then we have our climate control screen underneath. You can also see our seat adjustment, heated and massaging, I should say. Vehicle controls, off-road settings, then of course our climate. It's dual zone with automatic. Our shift knob here. Under that we have our key in the cup holder. You can see we have our power tailgate release and lights. Range Rover badging on front and back in chrome. Then our 2-tier center console. So we have charging outlets inside. Full felt lined as well. And the front seats are featured in black leather with white stitching and perforated leather in the lower portion of the seat. Again, they're heated with lumbar support. And above the rear view mirror, we have a piano black plastic, which has our sunroof and moonroof controls and reading lights, and our panoramic sunroof overhead with full black headliner. Now back onto the exterior, we can see our chrome and gunmetal gray alloy rims with Land Rover badging in the middle. Down beside that, we have our aerodynamic badging off to the side very subtly. Range Rover badging in the black trim piece. Then if you can see that reflection on the windshield, it's a heated front windshield. Black metallic mirror caps, door handles, they fold flush once the vehicle is locked. We also have the lock and unlock buttons on all 4 door handles, rear privacy tint, Range Rover around to the back. We have our Velar badging, Land Rover badging, and dual chrome tipped exhaust. Open up our power liftgate. We'll find plenty of storage room on the inside, as well as the handles to fold down the rear seats. Now onto the rear interior, we can see our chrome door handle, our speakers once again, and our window switch, as well as additional storage. Back of the front seats, we have our magazine holders. And back of the center console area, we have our rear heated seat options, vents, and charging outlet. Then our back seats are a 60-40 split with fold down center seat featuring 2 cup holders inside. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of our 2019 Range Rover. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.